Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It is freezing like nobody's business, but I'm not gonna talk because I know a lot of you guys have not only just rain but some snow, everything. It's snowing in Florida, but not in the area that I'm in, more like the Alabama Florida line, you know, up there in the Panhandle, Pensacola, Tallahassee, Destin, as well as Jacksonville, Florida. It's not snowing in Orlando, but what we're here to do is go ahead and head over to Joann's, and then I can tell you guys what the sale is going to be this week. Let's go ahead and get there now.
If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness, yeah.
Alright, you guys, so I'm over at Joann's now. We're going to go inside and see what they have on sale. So let's go ahead and go inside Joann's now. Alright, so we're into the sales. I'm going to put up the sale on the screen so you're able to see it, but this is Butterick. Come on, y'all know that these new patterns is getting ready to drop, so make sure you check out all of the patterns in your local Joann. Like I said, I'm going to put the pattern sales up on the screen so you're able to see it, because they are not on the drawer. And half of the time when I come to Joann, they're never up on the drawer, or the sign is not posted. So I like to put it up on the screen so you're able to see it as well. But this is the McCall's, the Vogue, the Nomi, and we're gonna get to Simplicity. And this is the Simplicity side of the house. So this is what they have on the Simplicity side right here. Alright, first up, let's talk about the zippers and tape braids, or I should say just notions. It's buy 3, get 2 free here. Make sure you stop up before Joann's go out of business. It has a really good selection right now, so make sure you are stocking up on all of your supplies now. I can't talk today, but bear with me, alright? Let's go ahead and check out some more sales. So speaking of notions, let's talk about the quilting notions. The quilting notion is buy 2, get 1 free. So on the zippers and braids was buy 3, get 2 free. Let me turn back around and show you guys that. It's buy 3, get 2 free on zippers, tapes, and braids. But then if you go over to the other side, it is buy 2, get 1 free on quilter notion. So just make sure you are not thinking it's buy 3, get 2 free. So I just wanted to tell you, make sure you are stocking up on things like your needles. Will be great for when they go out of business. You're going to need some extra needles unless you're buying them from Waywack. I'll put the link up so you're able to get to Waywack for your notions and things of that nature. But make sure you are not only picking up your needles, but you're also going to be making sure that you pick up thread and things of that nature as well. Let's go ahead and get into some fabric and more sales in the store. Alright, so before I get into the fabric, let's talk about the yarn. Let's talk about those yarn girlies. 20% off of yarn. Now, this yarn in the store is the Big Twist yarn. So that is currently 20% off, but stay tuned for all the sales, like I mentioned, for Joann's. So they have the big yarn on sale for 20% off. Now, speaking of 25% off, the home decor print and solid upholstery fabric is 25% off. They have some there. If you go over here, that's some more upholstery fabric, is also 25% off. These are doorbusters, and these are good until, now it says up $12.05. So I don't know if it's still on sale, but I would definitely say check your local Joann's so you're able to see that. I like this cow one right here for home decor. That cow one is super cute. This one right here is super cute. Now, I normally don't show home decor fabric, but I want to give you guys more options of just cotton and knit fabric. Let's go ahead and look at some more things that they have on sale in this store. Alright, so this may catch your eye for my quilters. Batting is 40% off on all of their batting. This would be good if you are doing a quilter coat or anything like that. The pillow foam, if you are doing like foam stuffing pillow form, 25% off if you are planning on making pillows. This will be the great time if you have any children to change up their batting and do some pillows. Once again, batting 40% off right here. This is what that looks like. I'm going to try to find some interfacing to see if that's on sale, because I actually need to buy another bulk before there's none left. Let's go ahead and look at some more stuff in this store. So you guys know we are always going to scroll down this clearance section. I think this pop fabric right here, let me zoom the camera in so you can see it. It is a green sparkle ITY. That is super cute. So they make sure you go through your clearance aisle at Joann's and pick up all of your fabric needs. Flannel and fleece are 60% off. Last chance right here, as you can see it. All right, let's go ahead and see some more fabrics real quick. So y'all, I just want to say, like, the cutting line is ridiculous. I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what this cutting line is looking like. Let me show you now. Alright, so they have more yarn on sale. They have, let me try to show you. This cell right here, which is the blanket yarn, it's $8.99. I don't have my sidekick here to kind of hold up the camera for me, but it's $8.99. Let's get into some more cells. Alright, some cells that you may want to look at is the specialty fleece and fur, 25% off this week. So make sure you look at that. It's good until February the 12th there. Here's some good one right here. Let me see if I can find some fur that I like now. This would be good on a jacket. This would look so good on a jacket. You see this McCall pattern, because I need to see if she could save this for the next McCall sale. I come in the store all the time, so I want to see if she could save this McCall pattern. All right, so this one is a short pal fur, and it's a cable knit too. It's 100% polyester, 58-inch wide there. So take a picture of that, pause it, take a screenshot, snipping tool or whatever. Take a picture of that if you are interested. All right, they also have a gray one right here. This is also their short pal fur, and this one is a cable knit as well. It's just in gray. Let me zoom it in so you're able to see that. Ooh. That one looks really, really nice. And then the sparkle one up here looks so good. Now, I'm not going to pull it off the shelf, but you could definitely find their fur online. Simplicity.com, just to be exact. Let's look at some more fabrics. Here's some more faux fur if you're interested. I like this cow one right here. That is super, super cute. This one is different if you're into the colorful hearts. That's different, but I like it as well. And this one looked like it's some... This is nice fur too. I like that green. I don't know, but green became kind of like my color a little bit this year. But we'll see. Let's go ahead and get into some more fabrics. All right, next up, let's talk about this Eddie Bauer fabric and appliques. They're on sale for 25% off. So let's get into some Eddie Bauer. Now, they normally have some really good fabrics, but I always see like plaids a lot with the Eddie Bauer. So just make sure you are definitely just doing your due diligence and look at what you're wanting to get for Eddie Bauer. Next up, they just have some, I think this is their cozy flannel fabric. Yes, they're cozy flannel. This is on sale for $3.99 in this Joann's, but the sign is not up. Now listen, this is gorgeous, you guys. This is a flannel. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Boom, boom. Okay, it looks really, really good, but They don't have, ooh, this one is really, really cute. Tell me what y'all think about this one. I think this would be great as a jacket. Now, if you are interested in knowing about this fabric right here, I'm trying to work with one hand, y'all. This is a super snuggle Halloween orange flannel fabric. But that's cute. The one right next to it is super cute as well. So just make sure you check out that flannel as well. Alright, so last up, I do not see any, oh, I lied, not intentionally. 25% off of fashion apparel fabric. This would be your suedes you have there, your knit fabric, your chiffon, anything that's fashion apparel, 25% off. Now, this lace right here is super cute, okay? And let's talk about this number, because this one would be cute as a frock tail, which you guys know frock tails is coming up, but this is a 3D mesh fabric embellished on black mesh multi. So yeah, I love that fabric. Let's do one more out and then I'm gonna take it out. All right, you guys, so you guys know I cannot leave out the denim. Denim is on sale for 25% off, so make sure you are looking at that. Over here, boom, let me turn around. We have 25% off of this fashion apparel fabric as well. I actually like this one right here. I don't know what it is. I'm going to take a picture of it. Actually, you know what? Let me just show you guys this. Let me see it. I would have to hold up, y'all. Alright, so this is a linen and linen look. So linen and linen look in a gray white window. I'm going to turn it around so you can see it, but it's 100% linen fabric. The number is 17921560. So let me take a picture of that. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see that. Alright, so this is the fabric. Here's the number if you are interested in the fabric I just showed you. It is a linen and linen look right here. So take a picture of that. I already showed you guys. This is 100% linen fabric. I actually like this fabric. Just to give you guys the number, 17921560 on that. All right. So I like that. And then there are some more linens here as well. I think those will be really, really good. Alright, you guys, that's my time at Joann's. We're going to get to other sales, but one thing I want to tell you is there's a lot of people at the cutting counter getting things that's on sale at like damn near 60% off, and that is the Christmas fabric, any type of novelty prints that's also on sale at this store that I'm in. So make sure you're checking that out, and I'm heading out of Joann's into the next sale. Peace. Alright, you guys, that's my time at Joann's. We're going to go ahead and get into the other sales, but make sure you go check your local Joann's sometime this weekend to see if your Joann's are on sale. Alright, until next time, let's go ahead and get into the next sale.